Hello children. Today we will discuss one more important topic beta, that is redox reactions. Redox reactions nothing but oxidation reduction reactions. Okay, oxidation reduction both are takes place simultaneously in their reactions. Okay, in these reactions oxidation and reduction reactions both takes place at the same time or simultaneously. Okay, so here in these reactions simultaneously oxidation as well as reduction both are takes place. Okay, then coming to know what is oxidation and what is reduction. Okay beta, look at the reaction. Copper copper reacts with oxygen and forming what beta? Copper oxide. Okay, copper oxide. Here in practically what will happen if you take some copper powder in a china dish and on heating in open bowl, what will happen here? A black color coating is applied on the surface of the copper powder. Okay, copper powder actually brown color beta. Okay, on heating copper in presence of oxygen, what will happen here? A black color coating applied on the surface of the copper powder. Okay, so the black color substance is nothing but copper oxide. Okay, copper brown color powder, on heating it reacts with atmospheric oxygen and converted to black color substance, that is copper oxide. It is solid. Okay beta, so here copper taking oxygen, okay, taking of oxygen is called as what beta? Oxidation. Okay, oxidation. Okay, next taking of oxygen is called as what beta? Oxidation. Okay, next coming to this, next this copper oxide. Okay, this copper oxide reacts with hydrogen on heating and produce what beta? Copper and water. Okay, after forming this black color substance on the surface of copper powder, again if you pass the hydrogen over the black color substance, okay, then what will happen? The black color substance copper oxide, which color beta? Black color. Which color it is? Black color. Now the black color substance again converted to which color beta? Brown color. Copper color is brown. Okay, here what will happening on passing hydrogen over this black color substance? What will happen? The hydrogen takes out this oxygen and copper loss oxygen. Okay beta, so look at this. Copper on loss oxygen, on giving, on liberating oxygen, it converted to what beta? Copper. Okay, loss of oxygen, loss of oxygen is nothing but what beta? Reduction. Okay, loss of oxygen is nothing but reduction. Okay, and look at this, hydrogen is converted to water. Okay, during this what will happen? Hydrogen takes out this oxygen. So hydrogen here taking oxygen, okay, copper oxide giving oxygen. So giving of oxygen is called as reduction. Taking of oxygen or gaining of oxygen is called as oxidation. Okay beta, so here oxidation is gaining of oxygen. Okay, here who is gaining the oxygen? Here hydrogen converted to water, no beta. So here it is gaining the oxygen during this reaction. So here oxidation is takes place. So hydrogen is said to be oxidized. Okay beta, so here copper oxide is converted to copper. In this reaction copper oxide giving oxygen. Okay beta, so giving oxygen, then here loss of oxygen is also called as reduction. At the same time here, say in the same reaction simultaneously at the same time oxidation and reduction both will takes place. So this is said to be oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. Okay beta, understand? Look at this reaction beta. In this reaction manganese dioxide reacts with hydrogen chloride and forming what? Manganese dichloride, water and chlorine. Okay, these are the products. Okay, in this reaction what will happen here? Manganese dioxide is converting to manganese chloride. Okay, so in this manganese dioxide, oxygen is liberating. Okay, oxygen is liberating means loss of oxygen is nothing but what better? Reduction. Okay, loss of oxygen is nothing but reduction. And look at this HCl. Okay, HCl here converting to this chlorine. In this conversion here, hydrogen is liberated during this conversion of HCl to Cl2. So here hydrogen is liberated. So loss of hydrogen is nothing but what beta? Oxidation. Oxidation. Okay, remember here in this reaction manganese dioxide reduced to manganese chloride and hydrogen chloride oxidized to chlorine. Okay beta, so here same time oxidation takes place as well as reduction also takes place. So this reaction is said to be redox reaction or oxidation reduction reaction. Remember once again beta, gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Okay, that is said to be oxidation. Next, loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen, both are said to be reduction. Which substance, which reactant loss oxygen or gain hydrogen, that is said to be reduced. Or which substance gain oxygen or loss hydrogen, that is said to be oxidized beta. Okay, so this is about redox reactions. Okay beta.